Look at this diagram comparing two ways to study. The top bar shows the time it takes to read a textbook chapter 5 times, a long, flat stretch of passive review. Below it is a compressed 12-minute timeline showing a single LearningCharger quiz, dotted with specific markers that expose exact gaps in your knowledge. This 12-minute timeline relies on active recall. Instead of passively looking at information, you are pulling specific concepts from memory under pressure, which reinforces the material more effectively than another read-through. To put this into practice, the entry point is simple. You log into the platform and immediately select the exact CBSE class and subject you covered in school earlier that day. From there, you narrow your focus to a single, specific NCERT-mapped chapter, like chemical equations. Choosing just one chapter removes the anxiety of a massive syllabus and gives you an immediate, achievable target. Getting into this hyper-focused daily 12-minute rhythm provides the raw material. Once you establish this baseline, the platform's algorithm has enough input to start optimizing your entire study plan. But answering questions quickly introduces a messy reality. You are inevitably going to select the wrong answer. This flowchart illustrates how the system handles those mistakes. While it's easy to view a wrong answer as a failure, the platform reroutes it away from a dead end, processing it purely as required data for your next study phase. The moment you submit that incorrect choice, an instant explanation intercepts the mistake. You enter a tight feedback loop that forces you to review the correct concept before you even see the next question. You have to read this explanation right then and there. Intercepting the error immediately helps ensure the correct logic is identified before you repeat the mistake in the next session. Getting that single question wrong also triggers a larger action. The system automatically tags the broader topic, whether it's cell organelles or polynomials, and moves it to your revision list. Reviewing these instant explanations provides the specific conceptual clarity needed to master the chapter. Once you finish your 15 questions, you exit the quiz and enter the student dashboard, which serves as your daily control center. Look at this balance scale. It represents the two competing metrics displayed on your dashboard that dictate your exam readiness: the total time you spent, weighed against your accuracy percentage. If you race through a set, the scale tips toward a fast time, but your accuracy lifts up, crashing into the red zone. That data signature means you were guessing, not retrieving facts. Reversing the problem is equally dangerous. If you secure 95% accuracy, but take a massive amount of time to do it, you guarantee that you will run out of time on the real board exam. So imagine your dashboard shows you finished a biology quiz in an impressive 4 minutes, but your accuracy is sitting at 60%. What exactly do you do next? You ignore the button for a new quiz. You slow down and you immediately click the auto-populated list of weak chapters, like trigonometry basics, to repair those specific gaps before attempting another timed set. This graph tracks repeating the daily time versus accuracy loop. You see a slight dip early on as mistakes are logged, but the line climbs exponentially across the weeks. The dashboard visualizes this progress using 7-day streaks, XP gains, and week-over-week score comparisons. We can distill this routine into a typographic checklist. Step 1, complete one focused chapter quiz daily. Step 2, read every explanation instantly to course correct. The graphic adds the final 2 rules. Step 3, relentlessly monitor your clock against your accuracy. Step 4, let the dashboard dictate your exact practice plan for tomorrow based on weak chapters. Trusting this strict 4-step routine eliminates the daily debate over what to study. You spend your energy answering questions, closing gaps, and watching your board scores go up.